Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to check your wheel bearings on your car or trailer. It is the same for both. The first thing you're going to do is lift the wheel that you want to check on your car or trailer off the ground. And next you're going to grab the top and bottom of the wheel and rock it back and forth. And as you can see here, the wheel is physically rocking, and you can kind of hear it as well if you turn the volume up. I am slowing this video down here and just use the ground as point of reference, and it's kind of hard to tell still, but watch the wheel rock back and forth compared to the ground below it. And you will definitely be able to feel it in your arms and your hands as you're rocking it, but that is how you tell when your wheel bearings are bad.